Melody Phonics.
Fish is in the igloo, Fish is in the igloo, It's cold and itchy, E is the sound of I.